Pero mo lang natin.
Ma! Mama! Ma! Cover mouth. Angelo! How's the camera?
Hoy!
Ay! Masakit!
Okay. Okay, marap kita anay ha. Ano kita, pagpunot-punot. Pagpunot mo ka, mo na lang yung gift na yun, ha? Pero later lang yung pen. Okay, later lang. Okay. Okay, all set. Down. Okay. You take one number, then that's your gift. Kung imo ka na yung gift, balik lang ha. Okay. We'll start with this group. Okay, Angelo, pick one. Okay, what number? Get one, do not choose na. Just get one. Just one. Open. What number? Number two. Ay, this is yours, right? So change and I see Angelo. Children, kung nanonood mo, okay lang na. Ha? Be thankful na nakareceive ka sa gift. Okay? Sige, liwan. Again. I-choose ka gid mo. Just pick one. Give me. What number? Open. Number? Number? Now, Christian, sit down. Sit down. Number? 8. Okay, where's number 8? Wow! What's inside? Hold on, Angelo. Do not open first. Next, Adrian. Again.
Nice, Angelo!
Okay. For Adrian, number? Number? Adrian, number 3. Oh, nice. Okay, Gabriel, come here.
Show my camera,
Come
please.
here. Follow Ryan na yun, ha? Okay. Yan. Get one. Okay. Show sa classmates. Number? 14. Oh, okay. Where's number 14? Here, this one, Angelica. Oh, wait, ha? Next. Card. Come here. Okay, open. Number? How many number? Number 9. Where's number 9? So it's number 9. Okay. Ryan, come here. Yes. Open.
Ano, Koy? Ben, to Ben?
Oh, what number? What number is this?
10!
10. Where's number 10? Wow. Okay, Gia. Come here.
Anong ganad mo?
Yes. Okay, open.
Mama 10,
What number?
40. Imo naman, ma, Angelo?
What number? Number 13. Okay, this one is number 13. Okay, congratulations. Next. Alexa. Saira, you go back, Saira. Say mo, please. Saira, go back. Pick one. Open. Number 15.
15.
Okay.
Palak situation.
Pwede na dito dito. Excuse ka, Nay. What number? Number 2. Okay, this one is number 2. Okay, next, Iron.
Start yours, Angelo.
You get 1. Pen? Number? Number Lulin?
11.
Okay. Hindi nga, nasa nila-gift ang nila nila. Exchange
Ano ma-
na ka mo, gabaylo ka mo, ha? Gabaylo. Okay, water.
Wait, you sure I open?
Water. Open. Open. What number? 7. Where's number 7? Oh, look for number 7. Wow, this one is number 7. There's number 7. Okay, sit down. Sayra, nakakuha ka na, wala pa? Oh, Sayra, come here. Sayra, come here. Say, come here, Say. Say. Open. Dali lang ha, open together ita. Number? What number?
4.
Number 4. What's number 4? Oh, number 4. Okay. Angelica. You get 1. Okay, open Angelica. May sikot na ba sa number? Number? Number me? Number 5. Okay, this one is number 5. Okay. Next. George, come here. George, may George ka, George. George, get your number. Salaga. Open. Number? Very good. Number? Number 6. What's number 6? Okay, this one is number 6. Okay. Wala. Okay, Jordan and Carl, come here. Come here. Get 1. Give mo one card. Number ano ka? Number 12. So, this one is yours. Ari naman yan. This one is yours.
Ma'am, may halo na, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am.
sige. Ready?
Ma'am Chite, nahalo na sa ma'am. Dio.
Ready? Makount si ma'am. 1, 2. Makount si ma'am. Makount down si ma'am from 10, 9, 8, 7. Ma-open ka sa gift. Okay? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So, whatever, kung ano ang susunod, kung like mo man o hindi, be thankful, ha? Kay ginhatag na sa imo. Okay? Understand?
Okay.
Next year na rin naman. So, be thankful kung ano ang na-receive mo. Okay? O, sige, ready? Picturean ka mo ni ma'am.
Patricia.
Okay, ready? 10. You count with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Oh, not yet. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open! Open your gift!
Whoa.
Okay, wow! What is that?
the
Wow!
Back at
Okay!
Ay, God, gamay! Are you serious? Kids!
China.
You gotta be kidding me. Uy, mayan ang patas.
Oh, bats off. Bats off. Cool.
Oh my god. What the heck is this? It's so small. Ryan need two.
Open! Open! What's inside the turkey, What's that? Kita.
Container.
Okay.
Container.
Wow, container. Okay, everybody show kay mami picturean ko. Manaan bayaw mo, ha? Pag-on ka na. Pag-on. Ay, here.
Ala. A duck?
Duck?
Duck cup.
Don't, no idea.
Okay, ready? Show your gift. Show your gift. Show your gift. Okay, ready? O, dali ka mo sa tuba, ha? Everybody please stand. Bring your gift. Stand to your gift. Tindog, kita mo? Tindog ko sa may table. Talagit mo na ako, no? Taon ni ma'am. Go, go, go. Go, bring your gift. Bring your gift. Ready, Alexa? Come here na. Bring your gift. Alexa. Go. Dito kayo sa likod. Dito sa likod. Sa likod. O, sa Ron, dalalay mo towel. Dalalay mo na. Okay, tindog, tindog. Picture na ka mo. Okay. Alex, face here. Let's go. Wow. Come here. Come here, come here, come here. Kumain kay Ma'am Cherry. Alexa, face here. Kumain ka, kumain. Dali, 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 dali. Ay, dali ka. Di ka kumain. Kumain ka. Oh, fishy ka. Oh, tukang natin kay Ma'am. Ayan, Alexa, assistant na. Okay, ready. Picture ni Ma'am, ha? Get your gifts. Ready? Say one. Tukang natin kay George. Tukang kay Ma'am. Okay, go si Carl. Very happy. Sige, Raya. Kayo pa nakalok si Carl. Okay, ready? Watch all your gifts. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, again, smile. Okay, walking. Okay, say it. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Video ko. Liwat. Ready ha? Again. Ryan, closer. Ready? You say Merry Christmas ha? Okay, say it. Merry Christmas! Very good. Yay! Sige. Find your things sa mga basura na. Kalihabay na lang sa basura.
Cái còi.
Ma'am Chite, pili tatog mama ko, ma'am. Ma'am,
Ibutang dali oh.
natog ko mama ko, ma'am.
Okay, find your things. Ang basura nyo dali na lang utang siyempre, no? Utang dali na mga basura mo.
Gamay. Siwa yan, gamay.
Siyempre, sino mga ayos ang cake? Dali ka sa isang mo. Kaya naman ang container, inunubos na ng plastic.
Ha? Gamay.
Dali ka tagaan mo.
That's funny.
Say Merry Christmas.
Nani? Ay, ito was Angel puli.
Stop lang sa niruan.
Ay, no, pati ka Angela?
Masugat na si Roan.
Go bata kamay. I'm going man. Nagpan Angelo. Nagpan.
Wala na kami balik ko sa school.
Ito bigo? That's funny. Mapila no po, tabi. Ninja? Joven! Bye! Ah, aku tubig ko? Then? Ninja?
Tuloan ako magaling. Tuloan ako.
Di na ulat?
Diri lang kayo nag-bigay.
Gubating gamay. Ma? Nano ba oh? Nano di oh? Oh?
Nahulog, guro eh.